Alright, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. So, knows it inside out. To understand something, understand very well. Yes. To understand it very well, as though inside out. Inside and out. Inside and out. To understand it extremely well. So, I know it inside out. I know it inside out. I understand everything there is about making hats. I know hats inside out. I know everything there is to know about making hats. I know them inside out. Very good. He has worked here for a long time. He knows it inside out. Should be a comma there. Long time, comma. He knows it inside out. Full stop. He knows it. He knows it inside out. He knows where to go, how to use it, how it works, and what to do. Yes, he knows the area inside out. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So, she should know it inside out by now. She should know it inside out by now. What's stopping her? What's the problem? He has been learning it for years. He should know it inside out. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. She knows about photography. Well, she knows so much about photography. She knows it inside out. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, to know something extremely well. To know it on the outside and on the inside. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use know it inside out in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.